Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the Dogecoin market, you might have noticed something very interesting. After Bitcoin had a very strong rally, yesterday it was in a consolidation zone and maybe had a little bit of a pullback. A lot of altcoins did not recover from there, but Dogecoin today, as you can see, is following the Bitcoin trend. And there is a major factor driving that. If you do not know, the official Twitter page has just made a post yesterday, and that can be confirmed. Hello, yes, this is Doge. This is hinting towards the fact that Elon might have something big for Dogecoin happening soon. And just 5 hours ago they made a post saying ready for it ? And the Dogecoin fear chart is starting to show 31%. So before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It just helps the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people so everyone can stay up to date with what is happening with Dogecoin. They decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, this is a very important post that was done yesterday. Elon Musk's X meme post on Doge triggers a speculation among the crypto Doge community. In April, they obviously replaced the bird logo to Shiba Inu, which everyone knows got the Dogecoin price to skyrocket about 30%. So does this mean that they might have something else happening very soon? As this is just very not likely just a normal post. Why? Because if you pay attention to it, they had a dog in there, but they did not have to say this is Doge. And then about 5 hours ago making a post saying ready for it. So what are they hinting towards? Well, there's two major factors that could be hinting towards it. In simple terms, they could be changing the logo to the official Twitter page to something else, or they could be just doing something as in accepting Dogecoin as a form of payment for anything you want to do on Twitter. Now they have subscription, they have paid services. If you do want to buy any of them, maybe Dogecoin might be a form of payment that you will be able to do. Now keep in mind, if this is announced, this is going to have a very big impact on the cryptocurrency market. Why? Right now the market is already doing some crazy numbers. What does this mean? Well, in simple terms, if Dogecoin gets some driving factor or a catalyst to push it up, the price push will be a lot stronger compared to, let's say, when the market was just going sideways. Right now the market, we have seen Bitcoin is doing some crazy numbers, and at this point Dogecoin gets a very driving factor or a catalyst, it's obviously going to pump up the price a lot stronger. Now, talking about the fear chart, you guys can see that the market is actually in not even 50% yet. Well, how could you take this chart? Well, in simple terms, you need to understand that there is a lot of time left for the Bitcoin and the Dogecoin market to keep climbing. Yes, there are a lot of influencers which I have noticed saying take profit, the market is going to crash. Well, I do not agree with that yet. Why? Because I feel like until this chart does not get to at least 50%, the market is still in a good buying zone, especially for Dogecoin. I'm not talking about cryptocurrency in general, I'm just saying for Dogecoin, a lot of people are obviously just holding on right now, but even if you want to buy a little bit, this would be a good time, especially that there is a lot of big news yet to come. Maybe a lot of people are going to be happy. Now, talking about another thing which is extremely important is the trading volume. If you guys do not know, the trading volume is normally the driving factor of the price. And if we pay attention to how well Dogecoin is doing in the last 7 days, it's about 16% up. The market cap is up about 2%, but the trading volume is down 21%. Do I think that's a bad thing? Not at all, because it is still the 11th largest traded cryptocurrency, and the volume to the market cap ratio is sitting close to 5%, which is insane considering that Dogecoin is in top 10 largest cryptocurrencies by market cap. Now, another thing which I want to talk to you guys about is the top 100 wallets. What are they doing? The holders of Dogecoin, the ones which move the market, what is their strategy right now? Well, in simple terms, if we talk about this wallet, this will give you more perspective. Now, this wallet is the third largest wallet, and you guys can see as they're buying, they're also taking a lot of profit. Now, the profit they're taking is quite significant, and you need to be a little bit more careful. Now, if you look at their profit margin, you can see that they are in negative by quite a lot because they have been purchasing a lot. Now, there is another wallet which I want to show you, which is taking profit but at the same time trying to buy in to try to average out the price that they purchased at. So overall, the whales are also confused in terms of where direction or what direction Dogecoin price is going to take from here. So it would be a time to just accumulate a little bit before the price goes explosive. And if we talk about the actual price action, you can see that if we put it into 1 hour, there is a lot of potential for Dogecoin to still keep climbing. Right now, if you pay attention to these higher highs that we are forming, you can see that this has been a very strong resistance point, as we have tested it a couple of times. Just in this run that we have had, especially, you can see that 7 cents is going to be the driving factor. If we break above that, especially if the point that helps us break above that is going to be something relating to Twitter making an announcement around Dogecoin, trust me, not just breaking over the 7 cent mark, we will be breaking over a significant amount. Also, if we look at the trading volume, you guys can see that the sell orders are significantly lower compared to the buy orders, but at the same time, the buy orders are not having as much impact compared to the sell orders. What does this mean? Well, in simple terms, you just need to understand right now the market is super volatile and you need to be a little patient. Now, will Dogecoin whales drive the price up even higher? Well, we have reclaimed the 6.8 territory, but right now there is more time. Amid the market, the current distribution of the active Dogecoin orders on exchange rise some early warning signals. Now, what are they talking about? Well, in simple terms, there is a lot of take profit that might be triggered very soon. If there is a lot of take profit, what does that mean? The price starts going down. But if we are able to consolidate as more people decide to buy into it, then that would be a good thing. Now, one thing I do want to mention, the best way to keep the price consolidating is we just need new people to come into the market. That's just my always theory. Now, talking about the speculations, now what could be these speculations that they're talking about? While there is no attached information to the post, it is speculated that Elon Musk own is likely to put their focus on adopting Dogecoin. This is not the first time, as they might be doing some micro blogging site X. So if they do decide to adapt it, as I mentioned, it is going to be a big deal. And just talking about the fear and the greed index uncovers the bullish sentiment secrets. And as I mentioned, there is still fear in the market. That means the market is still going to be bullish. So pay attention. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, you want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.